In this video, I'm going to show you how to detect body filler and know how thick it is up front before you buy a car. And one of you are going to win this DA sander. It's a brand new DA sander. And I'm going to send one of you a t-shirt. So be sure to stay tuned to learn how. So this is called the filler detector. And how it works, it has to be a metal surface. It's not going to work on plastic or aluminum. But it just reads the depth between the surface and the metal. And it'll tell you this, like if it's got the check mark, hey, you're good. There's no body filler present. If it's got a 1/16 of an inch, an 1/8 of an inch, 3/16, or a quarter inch or more. Now the quarter inch is kind of critical because that is the maximum amount of body filler that's recommended by most body filler manufacturers. If it's more than that, if it's a quarter or more, that's really too much, and you may have some problems with that later down the line. So by using this, you're going to know up front where the body filler is at and how much is there. So if you have less than a quarter inch, you're probably safe. It's probably a good quality repair. But you get the quarter and more, that's when you should be concerned. And this would come in handy maybe if you're going to do a job. You're doing a job for someone, and you don't know that prior damage is there. You can check it and know up front, hey, I'm going to get into a big mess that I didn't know was there. Also, if you're buying a car, maybe you're looking for something to restore, or even a used car that you're just wanting to buy, and you find it has more than a quarter of an inch in a lot of places, that you might want to stay away from that. So this is just a tool to help you. Now you can use just a magnet and find out if it has body filler and where it's at, and that was used for years. But you're really not going to know exactly how much body filler is on there, how deep it is, because body filler has a bad name, but if it's used properly, there's nothing wrong with it. Well, this will let you know how much is on there, so that up front, if it's a quality repair or not. Now the way this works, you just stick it up the surface. Of course, this is wood, so it's going to say it's a quarter inch or more because it's not reading any metal. So you just stick it up there, and you can see that it's saying that there's a quarter inch or more. So, and that's the way it works. And like I said, this is for metal or for steel only. Aluminum or plastic, this will not work with. You may even want to use this for your own projects, something that you're working on. You sand it down your body filler and you're wondering, is this within specs? Well, you can put this on there, test it, and see, hey, where am I at? Am I less than a quarter of an inch? And if you are, you know that it's good. If it's more than a quarter inch, maybe you need to take that body filler back off and straighten the metal some more before applying body filler again. I saw this probably 4 years ago, is when this came out. It was at SEMA in the new products. And I think it even won an award. I can't remember for sure. But, I use it all the time now that I have it. Is it necessary to have? No, it's not necessary to have, but it is a good tool. And I find it useful. And the first one of you that comment below, the first one that comments about this, what you think about this and how you would use it, I'm going to give you this DA sander. And, I'll just have to get your shipping address and I'll ship it to you. Absolutely free, no charge. And the second one of you that comment on what you think about this, I'm going to give you a t-shirt. And that, my friends, is how you identify body filler and how thick it is. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, be sure and subscribe. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.